Motorized retractable screens are one of the best upgrades you can add to your outdoor space here in Central Florida. They let you enjoy the breeze, keep out bugs, reduce glare, and help protect your patio from debris. But just like anything outdoors in warm, humid climate, they need a little routine care to stay in top shape. The good news? Cleaning them is super simple and only takes a few minutes per screen. So let's walk through exactly how to keep your motorized retractable screens clean, smooth, and operating flawlessly. You don't need anything fancy. Just a garden hose with a gentle setting spray, a bucket with mild soap like Dawn dish soap, a soft brush, cloth, or sponge, silicone spray, medium-sized handheld brush, and if you have mildew, you can spot treat it by using some diluted white vinegar. Make sure that you avoid using pressure washers and harsh chemicals like bleach or anything solvent-based or abrasive pads. They can damage the mesh or push water into the housing, which we definitely don't want. Step 1. Bring the screen all the way down so the full surface is exposed and easy to reach. Step 2. Using a gentle spray, start at the top and work your way down. This removes dust, pollen, spiderwebs, and loose debris. Just remember, no pressure washers. They're too strong for the mesh. Step 3. Dip your soft brush or cloth into the soapy water and scrub the screen from top to bottom. Make sure to clean both sides. If you spot mildew, use a mixture of 1 part white vinegar to 4 parts water, then rinse thoroughly. Step 4. Always let the screen fully air dry before rolling it back up. Retracting a wet screen can trap moisture inside the housing, not ideal in Florida humidity. Luckily, most screens dry within half an hour. Step 5. Wipe or vacuum the tracks to remove sand and debris. Once they're dry, apply a dry silicone lubricant to the zipper port, never oils or grease. And wipe the brush pile and bottom bar as well to keep everything moving smoothly. Doing this routine once or twice a year is usually enough. However, after big events like storms or love bug season, you may want to rinse the screens to prevent staining or buildup. Pro tip: if you live near the coast, give your screens a freshwater rinse every few weeks to combat the salt exposure. If you ever notice uneven rolling, binding in the tracks, tears in the fabric, or issues with the motor or remote, that's when you call New Horizons Go Retractable. We also offer preventative maintenance programs if you prefer to have a trained technician handle everything for you. Taking care of your motorized retractable screens is quick, easy, and totally worth it, especially in Central Florida's challenging climate. With just a little routine cleaning, your screens will look brand new, operate smoothly, and continue enhancing your outdoor living for years to come.